What's going on, guys? Today we are in Zach's garage. He always smiles. He always makes fun of me when I have the camera.
That's because you just...
I feel like an idiot when I have the camera. So actually right now what we're going to go do is we're going to show you how we make our t-shirts, and then we're going to hop back here in the garage. So I'm going to walk out there and do that right now, or walk to the house to do that right now, and then we're going to be back here in the garage.
This just changed my life.
Alright, so we are late on this, and so we're now making these... The day before Christmas Eve, so we were finally getting these pressed out for the giveaway. The day before Christmas Eve, so we're trying to get these out, but the shipping's kind of screwed up for the holidays, so it's going to cost us a bit, so we're actually going to ship these out after. But here is how we make our shirts. It's all just a heat press, or a shirt press, or whatever press. And you just press them down, get them good. Ooh, that's a little hotter than it should be, but whatever, it should be good.
What's the heat?
300. Should be 310.
So we're essentially putting these in the oven.
We're not cooking the whole shirt though.
Oh, why not?
Jake, you can't eat a t-shirt. There we go. It's the final version of a t-shirt right here. These are getting shipped out. Who were the winners? What are their names?
I'm not gonna say one of them because his name's on Instagram, and it's
Is it Chlamydia 5?
It's Chlamydia 2.
Chlamydia 2 on Instagram. There you go, buddy. You're gonna peanut nothing. What kind of
all over
food are you eating right now?
Peanut butter jelly.
Oh, peanut butter jelly sandwiches?
Yeah.
Zach's eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We got the t-shirts packed ready to send out. So by the time you guys see this video, they will actually be sent out. Jake is on his way out there.
To the mailbox store.
Today. To mailbox store? Okay. So here's a t-shirt pack. They are going to include... Oops, I probably should aim it. Here's a t-shirt pack. They are going to include one extra item that we're not going to show here on camera. One of the guys is actually doing an unboxing video. We'll put that link into one of the later videos that we do.
It's called GeForce Monkeys is the channel on YouTube, and he should be doing an unboxing on it.
So these two are getting shipped out today. The winners were Johnny Young III from GeForce Monkeys and Chlamydia2_2 on Instagram. So we're sending these bad boys out today. Jake is on his way over there.
Yeah.
And again, we're including one extra thing for them, so you'll be able to see that in the unboxing video that he's doing. So I think
Actually, I'm gonna input or put something else in there, just a little side gift. You know what I'm saying?
oh, so there's gonna be two little extra things for each of them.
Just one per each person.
One each person. Okay. We're gonna go back out in the garage now. So yeah, there you go. Go back out of the garage. Something cool.
Cool beans.
We're back in the garage with this is the power of YouTube. We didn't actually leave.
We didn't actually.
We never left. Okay, so what he's gonna do right now is he's actually going in and welding in the mounts for the intercooler. He has kind of it in place, just sitting in here, and some taped up little tubes to kind of show this off. So he's gonna weld this real quick, and then we'll show you exactly how it's gonna sit in there. All right, a few nasty welds later, and they are in. He literally goes, "Don't make fun of the
That's what I get for having a dirty garage.
See, he put that back there just to knock him around. So I'm actually just making fun of his welds just because he said don't show the welds. So I'm gonna show him right now. Here we go. We got a nice little tab welded in here, and it's cooled down a little bit, and it's definitely zooming in on that. That's not what I needed to focus on. But tab's nice and welded in here, right up onto the tube in the front. And there's a nice little gap right here. Look at that. Let's cover that with my thumb. Look at that. Perfect. So it's nice, welded in.
Too much?
Jump out. I think it was about to take a walk around the block. Are the bolts not tight?
No, they're tight. They're just, it's made out of, like...
Anyways, it's great. Look at that. So it's welded up. It's got these in here ready to go. What's your next plan with that?
Intercooler piping is next.
So
I was originally going to do vibrant clamps, just because I want to stay away from intercooler piping couplers, because I have a tendency of blowing them off. And when you're in the middle of a run, competition-wise, or even just regular driving, it's the last thing you want to deal with. So Vibrant makes these clamps that are basically just a solidified clamp that are near impossible to blow off. I was talking with my buddy Travis Christensen today at work, and he told me about these cool things. I think they're called alpha locks, and instead of
those
the
right here.
whole coupler setup, it's basically it's the same concept, but it's a twist to disconnect. So it's basically like a
The Vibrant ones use like an Allen, right?
the Vibrant ones are like a coupler clamp style.
Yeah.
And it's got a sleeve that you have to go over the two
Okay.
tubes, which have O-rings on them to seal it and everything. It's just more of a hassle than anything from what I've worked on. And these Alpha Lock ones just look so simple. Like you just literally turn the collar and then it disconnects.
Hey.
And I would rather my car easier to work on than harder. So
Hey,
that's the whole concept.
Simplicity is key. Have you done anything since we last did anything in here?
Put that on.
Oh yeah, look at this. Carbon fibre.
Yeah. That was Jake's beautiful Christmas present.
Focus. There you go. Look at that. That's pretty nifty.
Besides that, no, I have not done anything.
Hmm.
Been lazy. I've been working on this thing.
Oh yeah, this thing's been through some hell.
Yeah.
Wait, did you put the other fronts on? What happened? What happened there?
My other steers were getting shot, so I threw those on because they're my spares.
Ah. They still fit in pretty decent too, though.
Yeah,
Fits up good.
they fit nice.
Nice.
Very-
So, are you gonna be working on this thing tomorrow?
Quite possibly, yes. Just depends. I just don't know what I need or what I can do because I still have a lot of parts to buy. But that's the next step is buying.
You gotta make a mount for this guy, don't you?
Yeah, I'm still not sure if I want to run the GPS on this side or that side.
Oh, okay.
Because I can flop them if I want.
Is this when was the last time you ordered something for this?
All the stuff for the rear mount radiator.
Yeah, but when's the last time you ordered a part for the car?
I don't even know when I did the rear mount radiator.
So, like 2 months ago?
Yeah, something like that.
2 months ago. Are you fiending to spend money on your car?
Yeah.
You got a big bonus coming from work and you're ready to just throw it all in the car?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these things hold up.
Let's see this website you got going on here.
It is the Alpha Lock.
Oh, those things look good.
Yeah, they look nice and pretty. Probably get the black ones,
Yeah.
just cause.
And how much cheaper? How much cheaper are those than the other ones?
Let me see.
To go budget wise on this?
Supposedly, well, these ones are like $100, which is a really good deal. And the Vibrant ones were like 160 or something like that.
But it actually just started snowing here. So I'm gonna close the video out right now and I'm gonna head home. We got the shirts out, everything ready to go. Zach is on his way ordering up some parts, and then the next video what we're gonna be doing is working on the tetanus shot 240. So I'm gonna be working on tetanus shot 240, probably going through doing some of the stuff inside of the interior. I kind of want to get the steering column in, so I'm gonna work on getting that done. But right now I definitely want to enjoy this light amount of snowfall that we have, and I actually see just a little bit of it building up on here. It literally just started. We're gonna get the cars taken care of. I got the video to edit tonight, and then we're gonna be back in there again just to get caught back up with these videos. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Whatever you can do to help us out. Make sure to comment though if you like something in our videos. Please comment it, or if you want to see us do something, make sure to let us know, because we want to make sure that we do what you guys want to see us do. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.